Free Search Engine Optimization Tips 2018. Tips to increase your website's search engine rankings. It becomes harder and harder to get people to notice and visit your site as the web gets bigger and bigger. If you follow the steps from this video, you will be ahead of your competitors in terms of being noticed by potential site visitors. It would be a shame to write fabulous content that no one will read. This video will give you ideas to help boost your site's web presence. A properly coded site is an important part of a successful SEO strategy. If you are using a messy JavaScript code for content, you may find your site getting much less traffic, because the spiders are incapable of indexing things from your site. Flash files can't be viewed at all, so make sure to give them descriptive tags. Search engine optimization can be accomplished by many techniques. If your web page is optimized to maximize efficiency, you will gain the highest quality results. In the end, better search functionality translates to a better user experience. SEO takes time, so you must be patient when you are trying to increase the search engine optimization for your site. Large changes in traffic volume will not immediately happen. If a site is pretty new, it will take a while for you to see any results. Online business is no different from offline business. Either way, it is going to take time to build your brand. Spiders cannot read session IDs and dynamic language very well, so remember that when making URL names. Incorporate a keyword into a naturally flowing URL for best results. Keep the focus of each page on a single subject or product. Do not promote every product that you have on the site. You will only confuse your customer and keep them from coming back. Focusing a single page on a single product has a more positive outcome. Use keywords in a website page's URL in order to make it more popular with search engines. If a URL has symbols or numbers that won't be searched for, it is unlikely to rank highly in search engines. Using essential keywords that are related to your site's content can greatly boost a page's traffic. Setting your website apart from the thousands of others is essential. Make sure you check the speed of your website with GT metrics. A slow site will not rank well. Last but not least, make sure your website looks great on mobile. 2018 Google is going to penalize sites that are not mobile friendly. Plus most people are viewing your site on mobile devices, so make sure your site is mobile ready. Keep your site updated with fresh relevant content regularly. It is very easy to do this if you have a blog on your site. Don't forget to like our video.